Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through building and configuring your very own secure, self-hosted Nextcloud server to completely take back absolute control over your personal data, photos, and cloud storage pipeline. To kick off this advanced infrastructure deployment, you will first need a dedicated machine running a clean installation of Ubuntu server. So fire up your local command line interface terminal and establish a secure shell connection directly into your host machine using your admin credentials. Once logged in, your initial operational priority is ensuring your core system repositories are completely up to date. So execute the system update and upgrade command strings to build a rock-solid secure foundation before downloading any web service architecture packages. For the absolute fastest and most reliable deployment path, we are going to utilize the highly optimized snap configuration package. So input the command sudo snap install nextcloud directly into your terminal prompt and let the system automatically pull down and configure the necessary Apache web server, MySQL database infrastructure, and PHP runtime layers in one seamless operation. After the core installation routine wraps up successfully, your next critical objective is establishing your master administrator account parameters, which you can easily achieve by executing the nextcloud.manualinstall command sequence, followed immediately by your desired secure admin username and a highly complex alphanumeric password string. With the internal architecture fully active, you now need to make the server accessible to your local area network. So run the Trusted Domains configuration command to explicitly add your host machine's static local IP address into the server's whitelist permission registry file. Next, if you plan to access your personal cloud files safely from outside your home network, you must log into your residential internet router's administrative dashboard, navigate straight to the port forwarding rules section, and map external internet ports 80 and 443 directly to your server's internal local IP address. To safeguard your remote connection from malicious interception, go back to your server terminal and initiate the integrated Let's Encrypt security protocol by typing sudo nextcloud.enable-https Let's Encrypt. Then carefully type in your registered public domain name and a valid contact email address to automatically provision and install a free, trusted SSL security certificate. Finally, open up your preferred modern web browser on any computer, input your custom domain name or local server IP address directly into the navigation search bar, input your master admin credentials on the clean login screen, and you will instantly gain full access to your brand new private cloud dashboard, where you can customize user permissions, install collaborative productivity applications, and begin uploading files securely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.